Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to switch back to personal account on TikTok. So if you have professional account on TikTok and you want to switch back to personal account, then this video is absolutely for you. So for that, you have to just simply open up TikTok application on your mobile phone and make sure that you have updated TikTok from Play Store. So after making sure that, you have to just simply open up TikTok application and make sure that you have connected with a real account. So after connecting up with your real account in which you have professional business account or you have professional account, so after that you have to simply click on the top right corner of three horizontal lines. After clicking on that, it will ask you for three options. You have to just simply select the third one, settings and privacy. So after that, you have to just simply select the first option in the settings, which is account. So after clicking on account, now here is the third option, which is switch to business account. So I have already a professional account. I have already a personal account. So that's why it's asking you for switch to business account or switch to a professional account from your side. But if you have already a professional account, then it will ask you for switch to personal account. So you have to just simply select this option, which is switch to personal account. I am again telling you, already have a personal account on TikTok. So for professional account on TikTok, it will ask you for switch to personal account. So you have to just simply select the third option. So after selecting the third option, it will ask you for several steps. After that, you have to just simply click on next, and your account will be converted into personal account. So I hope that this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.